What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? What's happening, guys? What's up? I'm TonyaNicole, and welcome to our bomb ass unboxing world. Today on the platter, we have Bijou's beauty box for the month of April. Yes, I've said it, April. A lot of my boxes have been held up because of this coronavirus, and let me tell y'all, I'm over this whole Corona thing because I want my boxes on time. So guys, if you want to see what's in April's Bijou's beauty box, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Y'all know I love chit-chatting it up with y'all. Hello, my bomb-ass subscribers and viewers and newcomers. Welcome to TonyaNicole and our bomb-ass unboxing crazy world. Today we have Bijou beauty box for the month of April. Yes, guys, it is May, but y'all know how the Postal Service is doing us now. So yeah, guys, we have April's box for today's drink. We're gonna break out the old Galileo pineapple. Y'all know that the sweet peach is like one of my favorites, but this one is good, just not as good as the peach. We're not gonna drink too much today because it's Monday, y'all know. Before we get into the specs of the box, I wanna give a big, huge shout out to my 5 first commenters from Friday's video. Thank you guys so much for clicking the button, rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all. Thank you. Don't forget, guys, that I do post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 8 a.m. Central Standard Time. Make sure your notification bells are on so that you can be a part of my top 5 early viewers. Make sure that the bell is on and you hit the all button so that you can get all of my videos. YouTube have been tripping with that, so I'm hoping y'all getting my notifications. So guys, let's get on into the specs of Bijou and unbox this baby. Y'all know what we gotta do first, right? A dance break. Ooh, that's good too. So, really quickly, for my people that don't know, Bijou Beauty Box is a $30 per month beauty subscription. You also have to pay $5.95 for shipping. You get 5 beauty products each month. If you use the code TonyaNicole, you will get 20% off of your month-to-month, I think it is now, 3, 6, and 1 year subscriptions. Also, the code is good for sale items that you have for an additional 20% off. This box is sent to me for review, but y'all already know that your girl is honest, and I will give my honest opinion on any box that I unbox. Now let's get this box on and popping, boo. It does come like this standard white box, guys, and when we open it up, ooh, it says stay safe, LaTonya, right there on the top cover. I do love that they personalize the boxes for people. We're gonna open it up. Oh, we got a cord and all of the contents. Oh, it's well packaged. Comes in this box. If I'm not mistaken, the theme for this month, which was April's box, was like the 420 theme. So I think we got a lot of CBD products in this box. So it comes with a card. That's what the front of the card looks like right there. On the back, it says April Bijou Beauty Box 2020, and it tells us the products that comes in the box as well as the total of the box, and I will put that at the bottom of the screen. So without further ado, let's go, baby. So up first, I am pulling out this Millennial Beauty Slay All Day CBD face wash here. And this is what the bottle is looking like, my loves. We're gonna open it. It looks like a sanitizer. That's what I thought it was at first, but it's a face wash. Okay, let's open it up. Oh, it does have a safety seal. We're gonna lift that and give it a sniff. It does not have a scent at all, guys. So, okay, a face wash from Millennial Beauty. If you guys have tried this product before, please let me know your experience with it. I have not. And let's see what this baby retails for. And this, guys, is the Millennial Beauty CBD face wash, and it retails for $24.99. And really, my door just opened. And it doesn't say how many ounces you get in this product. I'm gonna think it's like 1 ounce, 2, I don't know. It doesn't say. Up next, guys, I am pulling out from, let's see, Base Blue Cosmetics. Now, I did receive a PR package from them a while back that I unboxed on my channel. I'll leave that link down below for you guys. But this time we have these lashes right here, which are definitely TonyaNicole style. Very full, very wispy. I love them. Let's open it up. So what I do love about the packaging is it lifts up like that so that you have a lash here and a lash here. And they do seem very dramatic, very full. Well, not very dramatic, but very nice and sexy. Full enough to give you that sex appeal on your eyes. So I really do like these and I will try them out. They do feel very soft. So let's see what these babies retail for. And these guys are the Base Blue Cosmetics lashes and they retail for $11.60. Next up, my loves, we have another Base Blue product, and this time it is the Air Sponge Full Coverage Sponge here. And this is what the packaging looks like. I love the packaging. It is so cute. It's like a little plastic dome thing. Then when you take the sponge out, this is the sponge right here. Nice and soft. And when you wet it, it doesn't get super big, but it does get bigger than this. I actually use the sponge and I like to use the butt end just to kind of push my foundation in. So I am looking forward to having a backup. And let's see what this retails for. And this, guys, is the Base Blue Cosmetics Full Coverage Air Sponge. And it retails for $7.85. Let's take a dance break and a drink break. Today, I'm giving y'all calm Tonya. What y'all think about this Mellow Moods Monday, Tonya? Chill, baby. Up next, we have another Millennial Beauty product. And this time it is a pellet. And this is the 420 Weed Queen palette that's infused with cannabis. And this is a 6-color eyeshadow palette right here, guys. And let's take it out of the package. This is what the outside packaging looks like, my loves. We open it up. Oh, girl, we got a mirror. Hey, boo. And here is the palette. Totally not what I expected for Weed Queen, but I guess it could be. Some of the shades on here is Purple Urkel, Granddaddy Perp, Strawberry Kush, White Widow. So this is a very cute palette. I do like this. I won't swatch this one because I'll put it in a giveaway for you guys, but it's cute. And let's see what it retails for. And this, guys, is the Weed Queen palette from Millennial Beauty, and it retails for $24.99. Okay. And last up, we have another palette. This time, this is from O'Kalin, and this is a 16-color shadow palette. And that's what the outside packaging is looking like, my loves. Let's open it up. It is a little safety seal on here, so I'll peel it off. And when we open it up, it does come with this little plastic sheet over it. And there's look like an eyeball and some leaves on the palette, which is very, very, very pretty. I actually really like this palette. These colors are right up my alley. So we're going to swatch a couple and see how they feel. Oh, they feel very soft. Is this an all matte yet? Oh no, I see some shimmers. All right, that's what it looks like on my fingertips, guys. This is one swipe, and that's what some of those shades look like. Very pigmented, very pretty. They feel very soft and buttery, and yeah, I'm looking forward to using this little baby. So let's see what she retails for. And this, guys, is the O'Kalin Cosmetics palette, and it retails for $19.99, my loves. Okay, guys, that was my final product in this month's, well, last month's Bijou Beauty Box. Let's quickly recap. We're going to do final thoughts. I'm going to rate the box and we're going to be done. So we received a palette from O'Kalin. This is a 16-color palette. Another eyeshadow palette from Millennial Beauty, and this one is a 6-color shadow palette. From Base Blue Cosmetics, these beautiful lashes here, as well as this beautiful air sponge from Base Blue Cosmetics, and from Millennial, this CBD face wash. So it's these 5 products right here, guys, that we received. The total retail of this month's box is $89.42. So final thoughts on the box. I actually like this month's box. I like the fact that we got 2 palettes, a sponge, lashes. The only thing I'm not too certain about is this CBD face wash. I don't really know too much about this, and I don't know about putting these types of products on my face. If you guys have used this product before, please let me know. But 4 out of the 5, I will definitely get use out of. I am going to put this one in a giveaway, but if I did not have a YouTube channel, of course, I would give it a try and see. So I was pleased with this month's box. My only negative about this subscription box is that it is 30 bucks a month and you have to pay for shipping and the value is not at $100. That's the only issue that I have. Personally, I think some people would be okay with it because you're getting products in here that you can actually use. Other people are more like, oh no, if I'm paying this amount of money, I want this kind of value. So, I mean, it's either way, whatever's your personal preference. For me, I just wish the overall value was a little higher, but I do like the products that we received in this month's box. Y'all do know that Bijou is a mystery box, so different people get different things. So let me know down below what you got in your Bijou's box for April. And if you got your May box, let me know what you got in May's box as well. So guys, if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1, this box is garbage. Throw it in the damn oven. To 5 be in this box at thebomb.com. You know what I'm saying, boo? We're going to give Bijou for the month of April a solid 3 for this month's box. I really did enjoy the products a lot. I like that I could use the lashes, the sponges. So I think it overall was a good box for this month. So that's TonyaNicole's thoughts, guys. If you have not done so already, please, please, please subscribe to the channel. Become a part of this bomb-ass subscriber squad. You know you want to. I'm telling you, it's so fun over here. It's so lit. We always having dance breaks and drink breaks. Y'all know how we do. Also, guys, if you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, that link is down below as well. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it or thumbs down if you didn't. I appreciate all comments, both positive and negative, on my channel. Just don't be rude, y'all. But y'all never are. My people are so good. Anyway, my loves, that's all I have for this video. I will see you guys down in the comments and on Wednesday's video. I hope you enjoyed my chill, mellow moods, TonyaNicole today. See you guys later. Bye.